Good morning, students. Today's topic is code converter. First of all, we will discuss what are codes. Codes are used to represent numbers, alphabets, and special symbols. For example, we will represent 9 in decimal number as we write 9, and same 9 is represented in binary code as 1001. In our topic, we are going to discuss topic code converter. That means a code converter is used to convert information from one code to another code. In our example, we are discussing a code converter that convert BCD code into XS3 code. So first of all, we will discuss what are BCD codes and what are XS3 code. BCD codes are known as binary coded decimal. They are used to represent numbers from 0 to 9, and they are always represented by 4 bits. That means BCD numbers are from 00000 to 1001. On another side, XS3 number. XS3 code is formed by adding 0011, that means 3, to each BCD value. That means if in case of BCD we represent a number 7 as 0111, then in case of XS3 we add 3, that means 0011 in 0111, and we will get 1010. This is the XS3 code for a number 7. Now let us discuss how we convert a BCD number into XS3 code. In this truth table, on the left hand side we have 4 bits A, B, C, D. These bits are used to represent the BCD numbers. We see that in first row we have 0000, and at the last I have 1001, that means 9. It means A, B, C and D. These are used to represent the BCD numbers which are from 0 to 9. On the right hand side we have a 4-bit number which are going to represent the XS3 numbers W, X, Y, Z. Here we see that in case of ABCD first row the number is 0000, that means simply in decimal form it is 0, whereas in case of XS3 it is represented by 0011, that means a number which is 0 in BCD code is represented as 3 in XS3 code. Similarly, as in the last line, the BCD number is 1001, and in XS3 1001 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. It means in case of XS3 WXYZ we represent the number by 1100. It means the numbers which are on the left hand side, which are represented by A, B, C, D, when we add 3 to them we will get XS3 code, and they are represented by W, X, Y, Z. Now input is BCD. I have to convert it into XS3. In XS3 code, we have 4 outputs W, X, Y and Z. Now W is 1 at last positions. These positions are 5th position, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. So on left hand side we write W is equal to summation of 5th term, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th term plus D. D represents the don't care condition, as we know that in case of a 4-bit representation we have 2 raised to power 4, that means 16 numbers to represent, but in case of BCD we can represent only 0 to 9 numbers. Therefore the numbers from 10 to 15 are taken as don't care. Whenever we write the expression for W, X, Y and Z, we always take the don't care values from 10 to 15. We can see this on the left hand side. For the values W, X, Y and Z, the don't care values are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now let's see X. X is 1 at 1 place, 2, 3, 4 and 9th place. Y is 1 at 1, 3, 4, 7 and 8th place, whereas Z is 1 at 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. With this we get the output expression for W, X, Y and Z. Now the next job is to simplify these output expression, and we know that to simplify these expression we can use K-map method. So first of all we are going to simplify the expression W. We know that W is equal to 5th term, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th plus don't care condition from 10 to 15. Here we are drawing the K-map A, B, C, D. After simplifying we see that there are 3 groups, and after simplification of these groups we get W is equal to A plus BD plus BC. Similarly we can simplify X, where X is equal to summation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and again don't care of 10 to 15. After grouping we see that the result of X is B C bar D bar plus B bar D plus BC bar. Next expression is Y. Y is summation of 0, 3rd, 4th, 7th and 8th term plus don't care condition. Here we see that there are two groups of size 4. After simplification we get C bar D bar plus CD, and similarly for Z we have one group that is of size 8. So Z is equal to D bar. Now we simplify the term W, X, Y and Z. The last step is to draw the circuit diagram for this. On the left hand side we have inputs A, B, C and D, whereas on the right hand side we have W, X, Y and Z. So this is the circuit diagram of BCD2XS3 converter. We can similarly we can draw a XS3 to BCD converter. What we have to do, we have to do W, X, Y, Z. We should have to write it on the left hand side, and ABCD we have to write on the right hand side, and the output is now A, B, C and D. Thank you.